Hello everyone, this is Kathleen. Today I will introduce a very popular in Australia and Europe family pleasure fishing boat. You can see this boat with a gray color. We also can customize the color for you, but we usually choose fall kind of color. And from the transform of this boat, you can see that there can install one engine that usually we suggest our customer install a 150 horsepower engine, and you also can choose a 200 horsepower. You can see the height cover. They also have a base pump that you can check there if there is something wrong. That's easy to check. This height also built by aluminum. That's very strong. And you can see that there have a fence that's very stable, very good design. That when you want to fishing on here, that's more safety. And from here you can see the cabin of this boat. There have two seats, captain seat and passenger seat. The aluminum floor. You can see also the sunset. The sunset that's easy to pull in and pull out. That's a very good design and also very cheap. That's the roof of this cabin. It's usually install radar in here. If you don't driving on the night, that's not necessary for you install radar. That's a satellite. That can control 306 and 360 degree. You can have search. That's in screen of this boat, the navy, that you can see the Garmin. Okay, they also have a open rest cabin, the toilet. When you feel tired, you also can have rest in here. Under this cushion, you can see a toilet in here. That's a toilet room. It's easy to have rest. The cup holder, the handrails. It's a very easily family fishing boat. They also have two tank, live bait tank and a fish tank. You can this tank, the pump sucks the water from here. The water pull in from here and pull out from here. That's a very good design to keep the fish fresh. That's the fish tank. You can see they also have the built pump. The pump kit can easily to clean the deck. That's a aluminum thick pallet floor. That's the standard of this boat. If you want to choose a UA thick floor, you can tell me. We can add for you.